Grace Mission College Philosophy of Education. The nation's development of individuals endowed with talents, appreciated, nurtured, and respect through Christian education, geared towards world-class and international standards. Mission: offer relevant, affordable programs with high-quality education responsive to the needs of the industry and the communities that will develop well-rounded and competent graduates imbued with Christian values. Vision: an outstanding institution of learning within the region in the areas of instruction, research, and community service, imbued with Christian spirit. Core values: S. Socially responsible. U. Unifying team player. C. Credible and truthful. C. Caring and capable member of the society. E. Entrepreneurial, employable, and has excellent work habits. S. Service-oriented. S. Sympathetic and supportive of righteousness. F. Futuristic and analytic. U. Unwavering commitment to serve God through others. And L. Level-headed leader.